Hey there, Lisa Niven Kelly here for beachucation.com, and I wanted to introduce you to these peen punches. Depending how hard you hit them into your metal, you can get deeper or more shallow divots. So you can see I just used a thinner one there, and here I'm going to hit this larger one softer, a little harder and harder, and you can see how the divots get larger. So that's a fun way to vary the way it looks. You can also use it to texture the edge. I'm just going to put some tape on the back here. It just helps to hold the blank in place. And just tap, tap, tap as you gently move the punch. It's actually quite satisfying. And same goes for the smaller one. Just tap, tap, tap along the edge, and it gives a little bit of a different look. And if you slip and slightly hit the bench block, don't worry about it. You should be tapping super lightly, and because of that, you won't hurt the block or your punch. You can also use this to put texture or just dots in very specific spots. So here I've drawn a heart with a Sharpie, and I'm going to try to follow the pattern of the Sharpie with the punch, tapping, tapping, tapping. And when I remove the Sharpie, I should hopefully have a nice heart in the metal. Let me take the Sharpie off here with a Pro Polish pad. And it looks okay. I need to connect it a little bit more at the bottom and then give it a little bit more of a dip in the top. Not the best looking heart, but I think you get the idea. You can also use the punches to just add overall texture, which is extra satisfying because you just move the stamp all over the place while you strike it, and striking it softer and harder gives it even more texture. It even acts like a little bit of a eraser. You can see it'll start getting rid of my beautiful heart pattern down there. And actually here, this is a letter that I stamped poorly on purpose. So if ever that happens, you just take this, or a chasing hammer does the same thing, and stamp the punch. Let's get this stuck back here. There we go. Stamp the punch all over the place. Again, it acts like a little bit of an eraser, and you won't even see it. I don't know about any messed up G. What are you talking about? Now you have this cool texture. I'm going to do it all over the blank. Check it out. Got texture all over the entire thing. It's pretty fun. Enjoy.